Okay, getting vector AB, we're starting at point A, we're going back to O, and we're going back to B. That's the route that we're going to take. So it's negative A because we're going the wrong way down vector A, and positive B. And so that's our answer, minus A plus B. You can have them in either order, so B minus A is fine. To go from A to M, we're going to use the vector we've just found, A to B, and we're going to half the size of it. So multiplying through by a half gives us A to M. Remembering we're travelling in the same way as A to B, and that's why it's a positive a half we're using. Now O to M, the sensible route to take is to A first and then to M, because we've just found A to M, so that's what we're going to use. O to A is just vector A, and A to M is, as we previously found, minus a half A plus B, plus a half B. And if we simplify that, 1 minus a half is a half, and that gives us our final answer.